This is your feeder and stock report for Tuesday, November 4th. Information provided on this report is supplied by various auction marts throughout Alberta. In reference to the following prices, producers are reminded to check with individual markets on current prices and trends. Prices quoted include top quality cattle only. Based on a couple sales in central Alberta, steers 900 plus 442 to 462, 8 to 900 491 to 505, 7 to 800 530 to 557, 6 to 700 558 to $6, 5 to 600 587 to 720, 4 to 500 708 to 785, 3 to 400 857 to 950. Heifers 900 plus $4 to 405, 8 to 900 438 to 450, 7 to 800 443 to 517, 6 to 700 512 to 554, 5 to 600 544 to 611, 4 to 500 641 to 686, 3 to 400 670 to 822. Alberta Direct Cattle Sales Monday saw no new trade to report. This week's show list has been compiled with volumes larger than the previous week. There have been a few reports. Some October contract cattle have not yet been picked up. For the month of October, Western Canadian fed slaughter was 6% lower than last year. From a supply perspective, we're front-loaded with fed cattle, but tighter supplies should be on the horizon as fed calf supply should start to seasonally decline. In the cow trade in Central Alberta Monday, D1 and 2 cows 185 to 220, D3 cows 165 to 185. Bulls in Central Alberta yesterday brought $2 to $2.50. In the U.S., there is no new trade to report. Packer interest remains light today, and significant trade will likely be delayed until the second half of this week. Asking prices are poorly defined, but are expected to start out around $240 on a live basis. Show list volumes have been reported larger in Nebraska and Colorado, and smaller in the south. Looking at the poultry market, U.S. chicken slaughter has been running above year-ago levels and above the 5-year average. In addition, egg fertility rates have also increased, contributing to the supplies. As a result, chicken prices have been under pressure since the summer. The national composite whole bird price is sitting 17% below last year. National bone cows average 304.43 dressed. The nearby Canadian dollar at 8:30 this morning was trading at 71.13, down 18 basis points. On the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, in mid-session trade, live cattle futures are as follows. December 231.72, down 47. February 229.92, down 47. April 229.07, down 27. This is Rodger with Canfax reporting for the Alberta beef producers.